Do I need any special tools or knowledge to reset my Haier washing machine?
Hello, dear viewers. Today we'll discuss a topic that might be useful for many Haier washing machine owners: how to reset your Haier washing machine. This is a straightforward process, and the good news is, you don't need any special tools or complex technical knowledge to carry it out.
Do you need special tools or expertise to reset your Haier washing machine?
To answer this question simply, no, you don't need any special tools or expert knowledge to reset your Haier washing machine. Most of the time, the reset procedure involves only a series of button presses. The most important thing is to follow the instructions carefully.
Why might you need to reset your Haier washing machine?
There might be various reasons why you'd want to reset your washing machine. For instance, it could be that your machine is not working properly, the program settings are incorrect, or you might be seeing an error code on the display. In such cases, a reset might help solve the problem.
How do you reset a Haier washing machine?
The specific procedure may vary slightly depending on your model, but the general steps to reset a Haier washing machine are as follows. 1. Turn off the machine. Start by switching off your washing machine. 2. Unplug the machine. For safety reasons and to ensure the machine is completely off, unplug it from the power source. 3. Wait for a moment. Allow the machine to rest for about 1 to 2 minutes. This allows any residual power to drain. 4. Plug it back in. Plug your washing machine back into the power source. 5. Turn on the machine. Turn on your washing machine. At this point, your machine should be reset to its factory settings. If it's still not working properly, you might need to contact the customer service for further assistance. And that's it. You've learned how to reset your Haier washing machine, and hopefully, you now feel comfortable performing this task. As you can see, it's a simple process that requires no special tools or knowledge. Always remember to consult your machine's user manual for specific instructions related to your model. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.